Looking to fund your Pocket Option account using a debit card? In this guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to make your deposit. Whether you're a beginner or just exploring your options, this will help you get started with confidence. Let's get started. Step 1. Start by opening the Pocket Option website and signing into your account. Step 2. Once you're logged in, click the Top Up button located at the top right corner of the dashboard. Step 3. You'll see a payment method window. Click it and then scroll down to select Choose Another to view more options. Step 4. Scroll through the options. You'll see card and bank sections. These show available methods based on your region. Step 5. Choose the applicable debit card or bank listed under the available methods, then follow the prompts to complete your transaction. Bonus tip: make sure your card supports international transactions and has sufficient balance before you begin. It can save you time and avoid failed transactions. And that's how you deposit money into your Pocket Option account using a debit card. It's quick, secure, and gets you trading in no time. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to How to Tutor, and check out our other guides for smarter trading tips. See you next time!